Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to add Instagram to the Opera GX sidebar so you can scroll and post without ever leaving your browser. First, open Opera GX. Take a look at the sidebar on the left. If you don't see Instagram, there! Don't worry, we'll add it now. Hover over the sidebar and click on the three dots at the bottom. This opens up the sidebar setup. Now scroll down until you find Instagram in the list. Click the switch next to it to enable it. Once that's done, you'll see the Instagram icon appear on your sidebar. Click it to open. It will load the Instagram mobile interface. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your username and password. And just like that, you've got full access to Instagram. Browse your feed, check DMs, post content, right from the Opera GX sidebar. If you want to remove it later, just go back to the sidebar setup and toggle it off. And that's it. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more Opera GX tips.